Just pour 1/3 milk over the chorizo. Give it a good dump into the mixing bowl. Once you have that, you're gonna dump a whole dozen eggs in there with it. And 2 tablespoons of McCormick's Original Taco. As well as some salt and pepper. About 10 cranks worth. Once you have that, let's get it all whisked together. All right, once you've given that a nice whisk, we're gonna add in a cup of salsa. I did some chunky salsa because I like my salsa chunky. And then we're gonna do about 20 ounces of shredded potatoes in there. You're gonna wanna try to have them thawed before you do this part. Get that nice and mixed in. And finally, we're gonna add in about a cup's worth of Mexican shredded cheese. Save the other half for later. Get that gently mixed in with the rest of the ingredients. All right, we got that pretty good and stirred up. So what we're gonna do, we have a greased 13 by 9 baking dish that we're gonna dump this into. Just rolls right out of there. Don't waste anything. Alrighty. Get that evenly spread out on there. All right, so we got the oven preheated to 350. We're gonna put it in there for 35 to 45 minutes, and we have one final step before it's done. After 35-ish minutes, we'll come right back. Let's check on this breakfast chorizo casserole. Ooh, it's looking pretty good. We gotta do one thing before it's done. So we had that cheese that was left over from before. We're gonna just top it all over the top. Okay, we got that nice and spread on the top. Put these on so I don't get second-degree burns. And we're gonna put it back in there for just about 5 minutes or so. And it should be ready to start chomping on. All right, let's check out our spicy chorizo breakfast casserole. Oh man, she's a hefty one. Ooh, that looks perfect. Look at that thing bubbling. You smell them spices, Rain?
Mm-hmm.
Give them a good look at that. Just give them a good look. All right, so we're gonna let it cool down for a minute and we're gonna give it a try. All right, let's give this baby a try. That went in there so nice. Let's get a look at this. Ooh, look at that. Oh man, this looks like a perfect little breakfast casserole. Smell all the spices too. That is a winner. I can't even talk. That is some cheesy, spicy goodness, but not too spicy. It's more like a flavor spice. Highly recommend y'all.